Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you to those who are watching, those who subscribe, and those who will be subscribing after watching this video. So as you can see, my makeup is already done. But I just thought I should give you all an update on my lash lift and how I can help those with really curly lashes apply eyelashes, because that's my problem right now. So about 2 weeks ago, I received an eyelash lift in class. So if you don't know, I am studying to get my esthetician's license, and to become certified with lash lifting, you have to not only give an eyelash lift, but you have to receive an eyelash lift. And for me, my eyelashes were already lifted, they were fine, so it was kind of just a process to just go through because I know I had to get certified. Now, the problem that I'm having right now is that my eyelashes are way too curly. Like, literally, they sit up instead of flaring up. They sit up instead of flaring up. And I'm having the hardest time trying to put lashes on. So in today's video, I'm going to attempt my best to try and apply my eyelashes on because I need them and I miss them. And I know I'm going to get them reversed, so I'm gonna have my lashes reversed so they're not as curly, but I thought, hey, let me give y'all this video. Okay, so for this video you will need tweezers, duo glue, eyeliner, your lashes, and I'm thinking that's it. Okay, I'm thinking that's it. Okay, so to start this video, I'm going to take my Stila eyeliner and I'm just going to line my eyes, and I'm going to start with the hardest eye first because this is the worst eye from all of them, honestly. So if you look, it is too curly. Okay, so next I'm going to take my spoolie, and I'm going to brush my eyelashes down as much as I can. Next I'm going to take my eyelash curler, and if you don't have an eyelash curler, it's okay, but if you have curly lashes, I do suggest that you get an eyelash curler. And I'm just going to clamp it and try to get behind the lash. And I'm just going to pull it out. Then I'm going to go back in with my spoolie. And brushing down. So now I'm going to take my eyelash. Now if you already know your size, you don't have to cut these. So I am just using the regular Ardell Wispies. I don't have to cut them. So I normally apply a lot. I'm only applying a little bit. Okay, so now we come to the difficult part because I'm just like, how do I do this? So I'm going to try my best and place the eyelash behind my lash. You can probably put it in front, honestly. I would say that's another way to do it, but I'm gonna try to put it behind. So I'm gonna look down. So as I'm placing it, I'm pulling it closer to the lash line. all sooky now. So as the glue is drying, I'm kind of forcing them down. This isn't too bad as far as how I've been trying to apply these. Alright, this is not bad at all. So again, trying to put the lash behind the lash and then pushing down. So as it dries, you kind of want to straighten it to kind of flare up the right way. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it on the other side, and hopefully we get the same results of this side. Alright, looking good. So again, I kind of just wanted to do this quick tutorial for you all because I just was struggling so hard with my lashes. Now, once you apply the lashes, you do want to go back over with the eyeliner just so that you have a clean line. And for final touches, you just want to go in with your mascara. I'm going to go with Climax because I do Climax on my eyelashes. Okay, so I went and sat my face, so if you see little drops, it's because I sat my face. But just some advice, when you get an eyelash lift, just be wary of the size that you use when you are lifting your eyelashes. Now, the size my friend used was perfectly fine. I just believe that I should have went up one more just so that my eyelashes don't curl up the way they curled up this time. Secondly, don't sleep on your face because I like to sleep on my side and on my cheek, and that could have also been why my lash lift kind of curled up on me. So third, don't get discovered if your lashes are too curled. I waited 2 weeks for them to kind of settle. In the between time, I was kind of scrubbing them a little bit very gently. I may have put oil on them to kind of help with like weighing them down. But overall, because I am doing videos, so I guess that's about 3 to 4 tips that I have for you all. Other than that, like, you can just reverse the lash lift. But for people who have really curly lashes, I definitely recommend. For people who already have curly lashes, I would probably recommend a tint. So I think next time I would probably do an eyelash tint rather than an actual lift, because I felt like, you know, sometimes you can see my lashes, but maybe if they're a little darker, they'll be more noticeable. Thank you to everyone who's watched this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section below. And I just want to say thank you to those who subscribed and those who will be subscribing. And if you haven't, make sure you put that subscribe button today. But okay, I just want to say thank you, and I'll see you all later. Bye.